Mercedes-Benz authorized, the real car prototype is Mercedes Actros. The unique truck-style design gives your child more fun, and the towing saddle can carry a child or toy box, etc. DIY stickers enrich your child's creativity. Enjoy the new gameplay. For your kids age 1 to 3 years old. Kids love to drive it on their own by foot pedal and shift lever, smooth and simple to ride, 3 speeds optional for kids driving. Parents can also control it by the sweet remote controller, 3 forward speeds changeable via parental remote. Crafted with a durable, non-toxic plastic body, both front and rear wheels are equipped with spring suspension system to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, ideal for both outdoor and indoor playing. Parental remote control, seat belt and double lockable door design offer maximum safety for your kids. Containing 2 powerful motors which are 35W, rechargeable battery 12 volts 10 Ah, maximum load, 66 pounds. Car size, 47.6, *21.3, *39.4, max speed, 4 km per hour, battery runtime, around 2 to 3 hours, recharge time, 8 to 10 hours, please watch the installation video for easy assembly. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now.